Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the right account and a stable environment before troubleshooting. Sign into the exact Google account used for the class. Switching accounts causes common errors. Once signed in, open Chrome and clear cache and cookies, then disable extensions that block content. Make sure your device is on stable Wi-Fi and restart it to remove transient issues. If you use two-factor authentication, have your device ready to verify. These steps ensure you aren't fighting basic access problems as you proceed. Now dig into the problem. Start with class visibility and enrollment. Look for archived classes, mistaken join codes, or pending teacher invites, and resolve those first. Then inspect permissions. Confirm drive files are shared with students or set to anyone with link if appropriate, and adjust folder ownership if submissions fail. If the web app still misbehaves, update or reinstall the Classroom app and test in an incognito window to isolate extensions. Doing this narrows the fault to account, files, or local software quickly. Finish by validating core functions. Submit a test assignment, review grades, and verify the turn in folder and drive to ensure data flows correctly. Once done, force a manual refresh and reupload any stuck attachments. Sometimes server propagation requires a few minutes, so wait and retry. If domain policies or admin controls seem to block features, escalate to your school's G Suite administrator with specific error messages. Tip: if nothing works, capture a screenshot of errors and the browser console to speed up support troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.